When it comes to home flooring, there are a lot of different materials to choose from. But not all flooring materials are created equal. Some are more expensive than others. If you're on a budget, you'll want to choose the most affordable option for your home. In this article, we'll compare the most affordable home flooring materials and help you choose the best option for your needs. We'll cover materials like carpet, laminate, vinyl, and more. So if you're looking for a new floor on a budget, read on for the best options. Have a look at the budget-friendly home flooring materials. When selecting flooring for your house, there are several things to take into account. Durability, simplicity of maintenance, and affordability are all important considerations. Some flooring materials are more expensive than others in terms of price. However, that does not automatically imply that they are the ideal choice for your house. We'll examine the most cost-effective home flooring options in this post so you can pick the one that fits your budget the best. The house flooring materials that are most reasonably priced include 1. Linoleum. One of the least expensive flooring options available is linoleum. It is a very environmentally responsible choice because it is manufactured from natural materials such as wood flour, linseed oil, and cork powder. In addition to being readily accessible in a range of colors and designs, linoleum is also incredibly simple to maintain and clean. Linoleum is a terrific alternative if you're searching for a budget-friendly and durable flooring solution for your house. Most home improvement stores carry it, and installing it yourself is simple. Why not attempt it then? You might be shocked by how much you enjoy it. 2. Vinyl. Vinyl is a popular option for flooring in homes since it is incredibly resilient and simple to maintain. But did you also know that it's also one of the most reasonably priced flooring options available? Vinyl is a renewable resource since it is created from natural ingredients. Like certain synthetic flooring materials, it is also environmentally friendly and does not emit dangerous chemicals. Vinyl is therefore an excellent alternative if you're searching for a cheap and environmentally friendly flooring solution. You may choose from a range of colors and designs to discover one that matches your style. And since it is so strong, it will keep working for many years. 3. Laminate. One of the most common types of flooring materials available today is laminate. Under intense pressure, layers of synthetic materials are fused together to form the object. Laminate flooring is a flexible and inexpensive alternative for your house since it comes in a huge range of colors and styles. For families with active children, laminate flooring is a fantastic option because it is long-lasting and simple to maintain. In comparison to other flooring options like hardwood or tile, it is also less expensive. Laminate is a terrific option if you're seeking a practical and fashionable flooring solution for your house. 4. Concrete. Although there are many various kinds of flooring materials available today, concrete is one of the least expensive choices. Concrete is extremely durable because it is constructed of several layers of compressed wood. It is a fantastic alternative for DIYers because it is extremely simple to install. You can choose a look that suits your house with concrete flooring because it is available in a number of hues and patterns. And since it is so resilient, it is a fantastic choice for households with kids or pets. Concrete is a terrific alternative if you're searching for a cheap flooring solution. 5. Ceramic tiles. For decades, ceramic tiles have been a popular option for interior flooring. They come in a huge selection of colors and patterns, are strong, and are simple to clean. But one of the nicest things about ceramic tiles is that they are among the market's least expensive flooring options. Ceramic tiles are a fantastic alternative for tiling your kitchen, bathroom, or any other area in your house. With the right maintenance, they are simple to install and may endure for many years. Additionally, they are far less expensive than other flooring options like stone or hardwood.